now we're going to measure out on our table and mark where we need to cut our fabric. So we're going to make the small ones first, which are going to be 4 feet in width. Okay, now we're ready to roll out our fabric to cut a small garden tower. So here comes our fabric. We're going to line it up with the end of the table. And then we're going to grab our super sharp scissors. And right here we can see, because this is shade fabric, you can see the line that you made with the tape. And so then you can just follow it as you cut out the garden tower.
See how long her arm goes. She can make it.
Yeah, sometimes it helps to have long arms in this part.
Yay! Get it.
Woo! So right now we have a 4 foot by 4 foot square of material. And this can make 2 small garden towers. So we're going to fold this in half. So you're going to line up 2 edges like this, and then you are going to cut on the fold to make 2 small garden tower sizes. And if you do this first to kind of put a crease in your fold, that will help so you can see where you need to cut. Then you take your awesome sharp scissors and cut right on the fold. This side. Sometimes the fabric will catch slightly, but just keep working at it and you'll do great. And now we have 2 pieces of fabric ready to make 2 small garden towers, but today we're just going to show how you make 1.